do you actually go about getting evidence admitted in your Maryland civil trial? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about a very important concept in trials, and that is, how do you go about getting your evidence admitted for the trier of fact? Now, it doesn't matter whether the trier of fact is a jury in a jury trial or if the judge is going to decide the facts in a bench trial. Getting your evidence admitted is very important to the outcome of the case. Before I go in deeper on this, I want you to make sure that you understand that attorneys may do this differently. There's really no uniform way as to magic words that have to be used, but some of the concepts and some of the things that I'm going to be talking about today are going to be consistent from attorney to attorney. So for the purpose of this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a picture, because a picture can give you a very good understanding as to this process. And I'm going to talk about the basics of how can you go ahead and get a picture admitted into evidence. When you get into the courtroom, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get that picture pre-marked. Now, either the clerk is going to do it or you may have to do it yourself. It's just going to vary from courtroom to courtroom. But after you've went ahead and you've pre-marked the picture, what you're then going to want to do is you're going to ask the court, can you have permission to approach the witness? And after the court does give you permission, you're going to walk up to the witness stand and you're going to show the witness the picture. Now, when you go up to the witness, it may be a very good idea to say something like this. Let the record reflect that I am showing the witness what has been pre-marked for identification purposes as plaintiff 1. And then at that particular point, you can give the witness the picture. And then you can ask the witness, witness, what is this that I'm showing you? Your witness should then say, well, this is a picture. And then your next question can be, well, what is this a picture of? Well, this looks to be a picture of the crash scene the day I was hit in my car. And then you can follow up with that witness. You can ask the witness something like this. Well, witness, does this accurately depict the scene that day? And your witness should say, well, yes, it does. It looks just like it looked when my car was hit. And you can ask a follow-up question if you want to, which is, I think, a good idea. You can then ask the witness, well, Mr. Witness, will this picture help aid in your testimony today of explaining to the jury what happened? And the witness should say, yes, this picture would help me describe what happened to me that day. Then you can ask the court, Your Honor, I move that was marked for identification purposes as plaintiff 1 be now admitted into evidence as plaintiff exhibit number 1. And at this particular time, if the defense has any objections to this particular exhibit coming into evidence for trial, then the defense can make their objections at that particular point. Now, I realize that this was a lot that I was talking about, and I've realized that you probably have more questions about this process. Or you could just be watching this video because you're trying to figure out, are you the victim of medical malpractice? And if you are the victim of medical malpractice, what will the process be like for you here in Maryland? Well, if you have these questions and concerns, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and we will be glad to listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.